In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F15 and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then click on All Services. Select Autofill. Autofill with Google. And Google Password Manager. Now select one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Lastly, hit Delete next to Edit and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!